The images are striking. Flooded streets and flooded homes after torrential rains.
So with the rain, it started on Memorial Day. We had greater than 10 inches of rain in parts of Martin County on Memorial Day, and we've seen rain every day thereafter to the tune of nearly 30 inches of rain in a 2-week period.
Jim Gordon is Martin County's Director of Public Works. He oversees stormwater runoff and drainage in the county. He says Martin County's drainage system is rated to handle a rainstorm of 6 to 8 inches over a 3-day period. The rain that fell here in the 2 weeks after Memorial Day crushed the system.
It's gut-wrenching to watch and to see.
Commission Chair and Hobe Sound resident Harold Jenkins says that the rains in his district were biblical.
So I have lived in Hobe Sound for 53 years. I have never, ever seen this. Myself, I actually live on the river, and I had some flooding issues at my house with water trying to get from one side of the house to the other. I've never, ever seen that before.
To move the water out of roads and neighborhoods, all public works staff were reassigned to respond to flooding. Staff and contractors placing 12 pumps throughout the county. A local state of emergency was also declared.
I can assure you the county is on the job doing everything we possibly can do.
One particularly hard-hit area was the Hobe Heights neighborhood in Hobe Sound. The whole area sits sort of like a bathtub without a drain.
It's a sumped basin, which means that it's lower than everything surrounding it, and there is no pipe or gravity system that can drain that water off because it's lower than everything around it. So the only way to get that water out is through pumping.
But that proved to be a challenge with existing infrastructure, so a new temporary way was built. With the local state of emergency, crews were able to dig a drainage ditch through private property.
So what we have here is a drainage channel that we dug on private property. We dug the material out and created a berm on the other side because we're pumping water out of Hobe Heights.
That water is now flowing out of the neighborhood in a way that it never has.
We were just channelizing that flow out to our right-of-way where it's only impacting our pavement and not the homes.
And after the flooding recedes, the county will rehab the private property.
We're currently doing what we can in the short term, but there's long-term solutions that need to be worked out. There has been plans in the past of some permanent pumping solutions that I fully intend to reinvigorate. This can't continue like this.
For Martin County Television, I'm Bob Hoganson.